Hello everyone, I'm here in the Well of Curiosity with another science experiment for you to try. I only tried this one myself a few minutes ago and I was amazed by the results. You've got to try it. Let's have a look. So for this experiment you're going to need some washing up liquid, a small cotton bud, a plate, some milk and a couple of food colourings. I recommend at least 2 different colours, but you can use as many as you like. So to begin with, if you pour some of your milk onto your plate, now you don't need that much, just enough really to cover the bottom of the plate. And after you've done that, you need to add your food colourings. Now, as I said, I'm using 2 food colourings, but as I said, you can use as many as you like. I'm using blue and pink for mine. And what you're going to need to do is just drop a few drops around, not in any particular order. And as I said, you can do as many drops in as many different colours as you like. So there goes the blue, and in goes just a little bit of pink, just to mix it up. There we go. Now I am going to move the camera in a moment so you can see exactly what happens, because it's going to be quite quick. So do bear with me. So here is my plate of milk there with all of those dots of colour in there, the blue and the pink. What you need to do next, if you take your cotton bud and if you dip it into your bottle of washing up liquid and just get a little bit on the end there and then dip the whole thing into the centre of your plate and watch what happens. And the surface of your milk should start to move around. All those colours will start to move and swirl, and you should end up with a spectacular work of art on the plate. So this next clip is from one of my experiments that went a little bit wrong. I dropped the washing up liquid a little bit too soon, but the effect is too good to waste. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play it back in slow motion. Such a cool result to that experiment, but what exactly was going on? Well, it's all to do with the molecules in the milk. The molecules in the liquid want to be as close as they can to one another, so they will make the surface of the liquid as small as possible in order to do that. This is what we call surface tension. Now, adding the washing up liquid broke the surface tension of the milk. Washing up liquid is designed to break up the surface tension, to break up those molecules, to move them around, to get to things like fats and greases, to dissolve and get rid of them when we do the dishes. And so by adding it to our mixture, it was able to swirl the milk and those wonderful colours from the food colourings around to create the wonderful patterns we saw. Now, if you've got any awesome results from your experiments, any incredible patterns you managed to make, then share them with the world, post them in the comments, send me a message, I'd love to see them. But keep your eyes peeled for more videos and more experiments in the near future, and I shall see you very soon.